Have you ever used this instead of a beauty blender? Keep on watching to know how I achieved this look using this, not a beauty blender. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, hi, I'm Ruhita Sen, and in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look. I have done my cleansing and toning. Now I am using this illuminator from Sugar Cosmetics. Is their Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Gold Diggin'. This is a must-have illuminator and no heaviness after I applied this. So smooth and it blended beautifully into the skin. Definitely worth a purchase. Affordable illuminator. You can also call it a strobing cream at really affordable price. If you want to have a good strobe cream, get your hands on the Sugar Cosmetics Gold Diggin'. Now let's begin with the foundation application. And for the foundation application, I have a hack for you all. Have you ever tried using this for your foundation application? Let's do it now. I will show you how you can apply your foundation using this one. After you add water in that stick, it will swell up and be like this. And I think it might work as a beauty blender. Let's just try it. But before using this, squeeze out any excess water. Now it's perfect to use. Wow, I think this is worth it. You should definitely try once. Wow, the finish is no less than a beauty blender. I have to say this. Literally wow. Let's do the next. Let's do another layer of the foundation. Definitely try this hack. What a finish. Let's set this with our setting spray. My base has completely set. Now let's move on with the concealer. Concealing, I'm using this shade 40 Caramel from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm using a darker shade of concealer. If you watch my videos, you will definitely know why I'm using a darker shade of concealer. And if you know, tell me in the comment section. Use a foundation shade which is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. This will help in not getting your foundation shade oxidized, because after you are done with your bronzing, your contour, your blush application and the rest of the eye makeup, your foundation may go dull and it might look a little ashy or grey if you apply the same color of your foundation which exactly matches to your skin tone. Yes, definitely it may look a little more grey cast or an ashy cast. So definitely go with the foundation shade which is 1 to 2 shade lighter than your actual skin tone. Don't go with a shade which is too much lighter than your actual skin tone. After the foundation application, I'm going to use a bronzer which is a powder bronzer. This is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Video.Guru. So without setting your face using any translucent powder or setting spray, use this one and you will get a contour that looks more natural and definitely worth trying. You can just see the difference yourself. So you can see the contour is looking more natural. This is from Makeup Revolution. I had Cinnamon palette. For today's eye look, I'm going to use this shade. Dust off any excess starting with the corner. So I'm concentrating on the outer V, depositing the most of the color on the outer V and then taking all the color inside. So we have to go from darker to the lighter. If you are happy with the pigmentation you got, Then you can move on to the second eye and do the same exact steps. But if you want more color, you can deposit furthermore. After we are done with this orange shade, now let's move on and apply this kohl. I have this from Lakme Iconic on the outer V. Use this and apply only on the outer V. Using this more stiffer brush, I will be blending the kohl I've applied on the outer V. After we are done with deepening the outer V using a black kohl, I'm using this shade from the same palette. First deposit the same color on the outer V. I'm taking the concealer and applying it only on the inner lid space. I'm using this yellow shade.
Remove any excess fallouts using a translucent powder. Use the same translucent powder underneath your contour.
For the eyeliner, I am using the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner. I've created this classic wing for this eyeshadow look. You can pretty much create any other eyeliner look. I'm done with the eyeliner. Let's move on to the mascara. For the same, I have the Too Faced Video.Guru mascara. After we are done with the eyeliner and the mascara, dust off the extra translucent powder. For the lower lash line, I'm going to do the same. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm applying it only halfway through because when we are going to smudge it, it will go from here to here. Over the kohl, I'm going to use the same red shade. Fill in the brows. We are done with the eye look, we are done with the brows. Only few steps left to complete this whole look. If you want your eyes to look more brightened and bigger, you can use a skin color gold. This is from MAC Cosmetics. For the blush, I'm going with a coral shade of blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral Climax. For highlighting, I'm using this Gold Glory from Sugar Cosmetics. For today's lip color, I'm going to use this Deep Nude from Faces Canada. Over this deep nude shade, I'm going to use the Duchess Reliable Brown from Darling Isabel. Now the lip color is looking on the ombre tone, but I'm going to use a gloss over this. For the gloss, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Mellow Kitty Time to Shine Lip Gloss. Doing a final setting of the face using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Mist. With this, I complete with this look. It's so beautiful and glowy. It's giving me the total summer vibes. And tell me how you love this look.
I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you love watching my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.